on today. This is our 2010 Audi TT. It's a 2-litre turbo with about 200 horsepower. The car's now getting ready for sale. So today what we're going to do, we're going to give it a full detail, clean it up, prepare the interior, take some photos, get it listed on our local auto trader. The car was fully detailed maybe about 3 or 4 weeks ago. So today's just a maintenance wash, take off some of the dirt and dust. It's been sitting for a few days, been used quite regularly for the last few weeks as well. The wheels have been recently refurbished, redone in a nice hyper silver finish. The car has only got 51,000 miles on the clock, so there's very little wear in the interior. We also have original Audi rubber mats that are sitting over the top of the cloth mats, which look like brand new. We also have a 6-disc CD changer in the car, something that seems quite rare. It was part of the S-Line package. Anyway, let's get going, get the car nice and clean. So we're starting with a good wheel clean. Using quite a diluted mix of wheel cleaner, Microfibre Wash Mit, giving a power hose to come up looking great. Start off with a hose down, pressure wash all the surface level stuff off, spray it with our solution, go over it with the detailing brush to get into all the sort of nooks and crannies, and with the mitt get right into the dish of the wheel, get it nice and clean, finish off the outside, the tyres, and hose it down. As you can see, the wheels come up absolutely brilliant, but then again they were only painted about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Now for the car itself, we'll start by pressure washing it, get all the loose dirt off, working in and around all the car trim. Next up, we're going to be using the Autoglym puller system. So we don't really have any heavy deposits, so we don't really use the puller blast. We're just going to use the puller wash. Absolutely cover the car in the suds, in the Snowfoam. What that'll do is allow everything to loosen up. Then we can go over all the tight areas with the detailing brush once again. Go at it with a full microfiber mitt. Once we've gone over the whole car, we'll give it a wee rinse down. We're going to get all the soap off, and then we'll move on to the next stage, which is the Autoglym puller seal. To be honest, I think this is a great product. Very easy to apply, and that you just snowfoam the car again and then rinse it off. It leaves it very hydrophobic. Dirt doesn't really stick to the car. Very easy to maintain. Again, this car was only done maybe about 3-4 weeks ago, so very easy to clean today. Once the car is dry, we'll take it for a wee drive, get it ready for some photos.
Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.